This is your natural?
Yes, exactly. Natural.
This is all, they haven't been touched, they haven't been colored. It grow from...
Yes.
This is how it grows?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you want to do with the color today? You said you tell me first what do you want to do. Because I'm assuming we're not doing much with the color till you tell me what you want to do.
No, I go with your advice. So if you mean it's a bit, it's better to have it more darker or more copper?
I wouldn't go too darker.
Okay.
I explained to you before we start recording this that I don't mind the color.
Yeah.
I think it's a little bit washing you out.
Yeah.
So I don't like to change. I don't like to change people's natural roots, especially if they have no gray and have no issue. But what I like to do, I like to, if I'm gonna introduce anything slightly different to enhance the color. If I think it enhances the color,
Okay.
I don't like to mess up with their roots.
Okay.
Not just you, any person. I don't like to mess up with their roots, either if they have gray or not have gray. And I do this with all my clients.
Okay.
Everything I do here, I always try to leave the roots because that's how it's gonna grow sooner or later.
Okay.
The more you mess it up, the more maintenance. We don't want to get there. But what I would suggest,
There's no gray, huh?
we boost. There's this kind of hair, the gray will never show. That will show as strands of blonde, which is
Okay.
good.
Yeah. Okay.
What I would suggest to do is just we boost the copper a little bit here.
Okay.
Not much. I can take you slowly. I will introduce a little bit of copper. Will not bring it to the roots and we'll make it stop over here. Maybe in the last few minutes, I will just introduce it there just to give it a feeling of copper. But I think copper will definitely work better with your skin.
Okay.
The length, you've been keeping it one length and from the back is straight. So you've been asking me earlier what we can do. The hair looks a little bit too hanging for me.
Yeah.
I like the length, I like how beautiful it looks, but it looks too hanging for me.
Yeah.
It's not giving much value
Exactly.
for how beautiful it is. I don't like, usually in general, especially if the hair is quite flat, to leave it long like that. I usually like to introduce a bit of movement, do a bit of face framing. I don't mind to keep it simple, no layers, just a little bit of face framing, not even a high face framing, a very low face framing.
Okay.
This is the length of the hair, the back. And we'll need to remove the extra corner that's here and then rounded it from there. So all that will disappear. So your length, you have to expect that this is going to be your length.
Okay.
Compare this with this. So this is going to be your length.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you will tell me you cut a lot, but I didn't cut a lot. I cut from the front, which is already shouldn't be this long.
Okay.
Yeah? So this is going to be your length. This is going to be much shorter. So
Okay.
we're talking about this.
Okay.
This is you. This is you before. This is you after.
Okay. And that's also more movement. More
Yes,
movement.
give you more
exactly.
movement with the introduction of the color.
Yeah.
And we discussed about doing the treatment for the hair to bring the healthiness and boost the strength of the hair.
Yeah.
So that's going to be perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds great.
Yeah.
You do it.
Let's do that. I think you're going to be really happy. And as long as I keep it low maintenance, it should be easy for you to manage.
Okay. That's
And you've done copper before, as you told me years back. Like
like 15, 20 years. Yeah.
you used to have copper and you liked it at that time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's get it done. All right, let me give you quickly the breakdown of the price, then we'll stop.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, so a little bit of movement at the front.
Yes.
I removed all the long angle. The color, very subtle amount of copper, nothing really crazy. You will notice the copper gets less and less
Yeah.
going toward the top. So this way we don't mess up with your natural. Okay?
That's
I
perfect.
kept it with nothing crazy with the layers, no layers at all. It's actually still simple. I just added a bit of rounded shape at the front, and that's it. And we removed the very thin ends, and the treatment did the rest of the job. How you feel about it in general?
It looks beautiful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was the right
Perfect.
call?
Yeah. No, also the movement, the length,
much.
the color, everything. Thank you so much.
Just trying to get you out of here because I know you're heading to the airport.
Exactly.
Yeah, you should be in the airport now. So okay, gonna
That's
stand up for a minute. Slightly down. Beautiful. Look down, please. Beautiful. I need to turn.
This way? Yeah.
Step. Okay, turn to the front. Turn. Bring your head forward.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Thank you so much.
Now we can rush you back to the airport.
Yeah.
If you miss your flight, just come back.
Yeah, for sure. I will.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.